down, guys. What the heck? I don't even think he knows I'm behind him. Bro, you have the same car as me, dog. It's a red M3. Bro, that thing is so sick. What's up, guys? Thank you for watching another video. Oh my god, the sun is so bright. But anyways, I'm barely starting the vlog now. Did you guys see that E36? That thing was so sick and super clean. I'm literally here meeting with the homie Renz. We're having a little photo shoot. One of the first like real photo shoots with the E36 with a real photographer besides me. Renz is the first photographer that's gonna shoot the E36. And I'm super hyped. He's a freaking beast. If you don't follow him already, go follow him on Instagram, renz.jpg. I think he's one of the best photographers in SoCal. But yeah, this was the meetup spot to meet up with Renz, and that random E36 M3 drove by. So I followed him and I parked right next to him. We had a little conversation. He's a really cool guy. It was just really crazy to see another How Raw Red E36 M3, the exact same color as my car. I think even the same year. He said he might go to Beamer Fest, so we probably will see him again. Oh my god, my car is too low. But anyways, thank you guys for watching another video. Make sure you guys smash the subscribe button if you're not already. Oh my god, I forgot to mention that. Guys, today we hit 50,000 subscribers. 50,000 subscribers. What the fuck?
That's insane because you literally I feel like you just hit 10K.
I know. I literally feel like I just hit 10,000 subscribers and it's already 50, which is freaking crazy. Thank you guys so freaking much for every 50,000 of you guys that have subscribed. 50,000 people have pressed that subscribe button. That's what trips me out. But we're on. And we're better at driving stick now, guys. I'm a pro. But now we're halfway to 100,000 subscribers. I'm so hyped. I'm sorry, I'm getting distracted, but Renz is talking to me on here. But I take some rollers. Let's do it. Guys, look at Renz. He's freaking crazy. Door open and everything. I don't know if you guys saw what he was doing, but he had the door open. Driving a good 40 miles per hour, hanging out the door. He's freaking crazy. Canyon run or what?
Oh my god.
Guys, my car still rubs a lot. But I don't want to raise the car up. I like how the stance is right now. I like how low the car is. There's no harness, no seatbelt.
Again, part 2.
Oh my god, dude. Renz, if I run you over, bro, I'm sorry. Watch, this photo is gonna be the best one of the day. If I can get the photo quick enough from him, I'll put the photo right here. If not, you'll see it on my Instagram. All right, first location. I don't know where I am. I don't even know how to get home from here. How you been, Renz?
Pretty good.
Just shooting?
Yeah.
Every day?
Non-stop.
Is every day now?
Not every day, but almost.
Hit him up. I'm telling you guys. Wait till you see these. Dude, look at the sky. It looks fake. That does not even look real. There goes Renz. Now we're on a main street and he's doing it. Alright guys, it's the next day now and we're back here at my dad's work, at my dad's hangar. I feel like I'm here all the freaking time now doing install videos. And now we got another cool install to do. Again, hopefully you guys are enjoying this E36 content. A lot of E36 content. I know I haven't really brought out the E92 lately, but I will soon. We haven't even went to a car meet in a while either, so hopefully this week I'll bring out the E92. We'll go to like a car meet or something and do some cool car activities. But for now, we're gonna do another install video. Today, we got ourselves a new front lip for the E36. I actually have been waiting to put this on for the past like 3 weeks. I bought this lip the day after I bought the car. So I bought the car, the next morning I went online to find a front lip, and this is the one I picked up. It looks very similar to the one that's on the car already. I was gonna get a carbon fiber one, but I have a really bad habit of breaking lips on my E92 and that car's bagged. If I don't break this within like the next 3 months or something, I'll upgrade to a carbon fiber one. But let's test this one out. I think this is gonna look a lot better. So now we got a longer lip, which is gonna make the car look a lot lower too. Ooh, it's already about to come off. Okay, well I guess it's easier than I thought. Oh my god. As you guys can tell, I did not know that was gonna happen. I thought there was more bolts holding it on, but I guess it was just those 4 bolts. That was a lot easier than I thought. Now it looks like a full-on drift car. The lip came off pretty easy. Here's the old one. Now you guys can really see how small the stock lip is compared to this one. But look how much better that looks, guys. This thing's gonna hang a lot more further down. I'm actually gonna have to be careful when I drive. We got us a bunch of hardware. Some screws or bolts, washers, and some nuts. Bolt, a washer, and then a nut. Pretty easy. That looks badass. And we're done. Look how good that looks. That looks so much better. Damn, dude, it really does make the car look lower. It's pretty low, I'm kind of scared. It looks so much better. I'm hyped how that came out. I'm gonna put a before and after photo right here so you guys can see like really the difference. It hangs a lot lower and sticks out a lot more. I think it just looks sick, a lot more aggressive. But I take some pictures of my homie's Mustang. Guys, he has big plans for this Mustang. I think he's gonna wide body it. And I'm gonna be there to vlog all of it. So stay tuned for that. He's also gonna start up a YouTube channel. And that thing's gonna be wide, it's gonna be sick. It got dark, we finished our little photo shoot. We kicked it for a bit. But now Jordan's driving the E36 and he let me drive the Mustang. I'm kind of scared. So I'd driven his Mustang before, but I wasn't really good at driving stick at the time. Now that I have a little bit of experience, I asked him if I could drive and he let me. Oh my God. I don't know if I'm ready for this. I told him, I said, if I get pulled over for the exhaust, what do I do? Because he just got an exhaust ticket. Bro, it's so different. Oh my God. My E92 is loud, but I think this is way louder. Here we go, guys. Oh my God. Imagine I just crashed into the curb. Oh my. That was like 2,000 RPM. I can't drive this. Guys, this thing's way louder than my E92. Oh my. It has so much power. Dude, this thing has so much power. This car is too loud. I can't drive it, boo. It's too loud. I'm gonna get pulled over. I'm so used to driving the E36. I haven't even driven my E92 in a while. So going straight to this Mustang, it's freaking fast, dude. Guys, I shouldn't have drove this car. I'm gonna want a Mustang. My E36 does look good though. I'm not gonna lie. This thing is so... so fast, dude. We're gonna pull up to this little bridge right here. It's literally in the middle of nowhere. I've never been here before, but I heard it's a really cool spot to get crazy, if you know what I mean. We might see some Mustang donuts right now. Did you like it?
That shit's fun to drive.
Bro, that's not fun, bro. It's scary.
It's loud as hell.
It's too loud. Imagine we put that engine into the E36. Now that would be sick. We have this abandoned little street. Perfect place to do donuts. Okay, Jordan wants to do some donuts. He's freaking crazy, dude. He wants to whip the E36, but I've never drifted that car. I've never drifted or did donuts in a manual transmission either, so I'm kind of scared, but he can do it for us. Oh, shit. Boom! Let me put that engine in my car. Okay, go follow Jordan. I'll put his Instagram right here. He's freaking crazy, dude. He has big plans for this. He wants to drift it. He wants to wide body it. He wants to do a lot of things. Ooh,
We're good.
you got tires? Maybe? I don't know.
Should be easy.
I don't think my car has enough power to do that. I think it does, but I've never, dude, I barely know how to drive stick.
Just dump it, my boy. That thing seems easy to swing. No? Hell no.
It look cool?
Yeah?
That was actually easy, dude. Damn. I can't believe I did that, dude.
You swung it easy.
Dude, that shit was tight. I want to do it again, but I'm kind of scared. I don't want to mess my tires up, but hey, first time doing it. I want to drift this car so freaking bad. It would be so fun. But there you go, guys. The first ever donuts in the E36. First time drifting it, kinda. Even though it was just donuts, it was the first time drifting the car, swinging the car. That was super fun. I want to do it again, but I don't want to mess up my tires or anything else on the car because I am pretty far from home. My God. Ow! That shit hurt.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see him.